In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lingua Insights. This is Mavish Rana once again with you. Another interesting topic, and that is present perfect tense. Today, I will discuss with you present perfect tense in a very easy way, and you will, learn something new. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Lingua Insights and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's talk about present perfect tense. One thing that I just want to highlight that if you want to learn something, please watch this full video till end. First of all, I would like to discuss when to use present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense to talk about actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past. Unspecified time, that I'm highlighting, that unspecified time in the past. Action that started in the past and continue to the present. Experiences up to the present. Recent actions or changes with the present relevance. So let's talk about what is meant by unspecified past and past to present, experiences and recent changes. For example, let's talk about unspecified past. Unspecified past means she has traveled to Japan. This is unspecified. This is not there is not any specification. And past to present, he has lived in New York for 5 years. That this shows that the action is happened in the past but it's continued also. Experiences, they have tried sushi before. Recent changes, I have just finished my homework. This is recent change. So these are some examples of present perfect tense. Now there is a question that how we can use this. First of all, I will discuss the positive structure. All subject take the past participle from the verb, like I, you, we, they, in which we use the helping verb have. And when we use have, we use third form of verb, eat, at, eaten, right? So these are plurals. We use with them have. With singular, we use has. She, he, it has eaten lunch. So in present perfect tense, first of all, subject, then helping verb has or have. With singulars we use has. With plurals we use have, and the third form of the verb, eaten. So how we can make them negative? That is very simple. All subjects take the past participle form the verb. I, you, we, they have. We use only not with them. I, you, we, they haven't eaten. He, she, it hasn't eaten. The structure will be the same like the positive structure, but we use not to make them negative. All the structure will be the same. Nothing will be changed. How to use structure? Question structure. All subjects take the past participle form of the verb. The replacement of helping verb will be at the start of the sentence. That will be the question structure. Like in negative structure, we use not with has and have. Immediately there is not with has and have. After has and have, we use not in negative structure, but in question structure we use has and have in the beginning of the sentence. Like I, you, we, they, we use have I eaten, have you eaten, have we eaten, have they eaten. And same is the case with singulars. He, she, it, with use has in the beginning of the sentence. Has he eaten lunch? Has she eaten lunch? Right? So this is the structure of question structure. I hope you are learning something new, and I just told you in a very easy method for you guys. This is a conceptual and a very brief overview of present perfect tense. I hope you are learning something. If you are learning something, don't switch this. Watch this video till end for clear conception. Attention, in the English language, the verb are divided into two. We all know very well when we talk about verb, there are two basic, types of verbs that are regular and irregular. So we should have a clear idea that is what is the difference between the regular and irregular verb. Regular verbs form their past participle by adding d, ed or ied to the base form. I have discussed the use of d, ed or ied in my previous lecture. You can see my video and you can search out my channel Lingua Insights and you can learn something from them. Regular verbs from their past participle adding d, ed or ied to the base form, and irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern for their past participle forms. Each irregular form has a unique participle. It means by adding d, ed or ied, we can't make irregular verbs. They have a unique pattern. They have a unique past participle form. We will discuss it further in next slides. Stay with me. I hope, guys, you are, learning something from my lecture, and this is very interesting and a very concise study of present perfect tense. So let's talk about regular verbs first. How to spell? If the verbs end in a silent e, simply add d, right? अगर कोई verb ऐसा वर्ड जो कि ई पे खत्म हो रहा है तो आपने सिंपली उसके साथ डी यूज करना है, तो आप उसका बना देंगे एक अलग फॉर्म, लाइक लिव और लिव्ड, हिट और हिटेड, बेक और बेक्ड. फॉर मोस्ट वर्ब्स सिंपली ऐड ed. अच्छा, हमने पहले डिस्कस किया कि कौन सी ऐसी वर्ब फॉर्म है जिसके साथ हम डी का एडिशन करते हैं. अब इसमें हम देख रहे हैं कि ऐसी कौन सी वर्ब फॉर्म है जिसके साथ हम ed का एडिशन करेंगे, लाइक टॉक और टॉक, क्लीन और क्लीन, वॉच और वॉच्ड. So this is a very simple example that how we can add d, ed. So here, guys, you can see on your screen that how to spell some consonants. If the verb end in a consonants, y, change the y and to I and add ed, like cry, cried, carry, carried, study, studied, right? So we are adding ied with such form of verbs. Now it's time to discuss irregular verbs. So let's talk about them. Here is a list of some of the most common irregular verbs like be, been, begin, begun, bite, bitten, break, broken, bring, brought, build, built, buy, bought, catch, caught, come, come, cut, cut, do, done, draw, drawn, drink, drunk, drive, driven, eat, eaten, fall, fallen, feel, felt, find, found, fly, flown, get, gotten, got, give, given, go, gone, been, grow, grown, have, had, keep, kept, know, known, leave, left. So here is the example of irregular verbs. There are so many also, but with the list of these common irregular verbs, you will be understand that how they have their unique pattern of past participle. We are not adding ed, ied with them. They have unique, past participle form like been, begun, bitten. We are not adding ed or d with them. So this is the example of irregular verbs. So this is the very interesting thing. that I just want to say few people. For and since, the use of for and since from every our childhood, we are most of the time we are just frustrated, and we are fed up with that how to use for and since, and it is very sometimes you are in the state of mind that what the hell is that, you know कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोगों को फॉर एंड सिंस का इस्तेमाल अभी तक से ठीक से नहीं आता है। इवन हमने इसको बहुत दफा स्टडी भी किया, हमने इसके बारे में पढ़ा भी, लेकिन क्या होता है कि जब हमें यूज उसका करने जाते हैं तो हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, अच्छा भला सही करते करते हम गलत कर देते हैं। लेकिन मेरी वीडियो में इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक ऐसा मतलब इसके बारे में कॉन्सेप्ट दूंगी कि आप इसको लाइफ टाइम के लिए भूलेंगे नहीं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको पूरी वीडियो को देखना पड़ेगा। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फॉर एंड सिंस। For indicates the duration of time, like I have studied medicine for 5 years. She has played the piano for 3 years. They have worked there for 6 months. क्या कहा मैंने कि फॉर हम इंडिकेशन करता है फॉर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम की। फॉर हमने कब यूज करना है, जब हमने काम के दौरानिए के बारे में बात करनी है। सिंपल इज दैट। सिंस refers to the starting point of the action, और सिंस इस बात की वजाहत करता है कि आपने एक्शन जो भी काम है वो काम के आगाज का वक्त क्या था। राइट जैसे कि मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया और मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे काम कर रही हूँ, और मुझे यूट्यूब चैनल पे काम करते हुए 3 साल हो गए, और मैं कह रही हूँ कि आई एम वर्किंग ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर 3 years, राइट। लेकिन अगर मैं इसी जुमले को इस तरह से कहती हूँ कि मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल इस टाइम पे बनाया था, लाइक मैंने मई में बनाया, मई 2025 में, तो मेरे काम के आगाज का वक्त था मई 2025, so I will discuss that year. So this is the difference between since and for. Let's have an example. I have read 30 pages since yesterday. He has worked as a teacher since 2010. We have waited for her since 8 p.m. सिंस और फोर का सिंपली डिफरेंस ये है कि फोर में हम काम करते हुए मुद्दत को देखते हैं और सिंस में हम काम के आगाज का वक्त देखते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग, थैंक यू फॉर योर अटेंशन, thank you for watching Lingua Insights. Stay connected with Lingua Insights for more engaging and interesting videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Lingua Insights. I will say one quote of Shakespeare today: love all, trust few, and do wrong to none. Have a blessed day ahead. Allah.